In the NFL, there's only 257 guys that get drafted every year. Parents, listen to me. 257. The chance of a kid making to the NFL is 0.08% from the time you're a child. There will be a guy today that would not get one star put behind his name, that would not get no big-time college offers, and he's going to play in the NFL. Today, a lot of y'all got all